So this will be a very interesting project. As you can see, we're in an old heritage mill which was turned into the condos, and we are taking this eclectic custom bathroom and turning it into something a little bit more functional then. So taking out this walk-in bathtub, and this is the finished bathroom. Instead of a big window, we put a pocket door in, close the opening, and put a nice custom vanity with some custom lighting in. And instead of this the walk-in bathtub, here's a nice new shower with the custom glass door, so it swings both ways open, and the safety is paramount. So we have two grab bars and a nice bench. We didn't go for the linear drain here, but use the same tile, so we have nice grid here. Two niches, his and hers, with the little hooks to hang the sponge or whatever else. So this is the final view of this project. Yeah, it's hard to believe there was a walk-in bathtub here. Now it's a real nice clean shower with that hexagonal tile. Was a lot of fun to work with, but at the end it's a nice view. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next project.